Ready to take your YouTube growth to the next level? Meet Optimizify, the ultimate tool for getting your videos seen, clicked, and ranked. In just 2 simple steps, Optimizify helps you hit a perfect 100% YouTube SEO score fast. Let's go. Step 1, choose or drag over 5 powerful keywords into the right boxes. No guessing, no fluff, just pick the ones that matter for your video. Then, boom, you've got options. Want to go to the next level? Launch a YouTube ad with 1 click. Or just press skip and focus on organic growth. Step 2, after pressing skip or next, we generate your high converting title, tags, and description, custom built to dominate YouTube search. And guess what? You've just nailed all 3 pillars of YouTube SEO: research, implementation, and keyword reporting. Want keyword ideas? Just type anything into the research bar. See real-time search volume and get recommended keywords that actually rank. Then hop into the YouTube section, click the video you want to optimize, and watch Optimizify do all the heavy lifting for you. Track how your videos are ranking with powerful keyword reporting, so you know exactly what's working. Whether you're a creator, coach, or corporation, if you're on YouTube, Optimizify is your unfair advantage. It's not just SEO, it's Optimizify.